This is Granny Smith flower, and now I'm doing hand pollination. This flower, Granny Smith flower, it will pollinate about 40 to 50 flower. With a one flower you can pollinate more than 40 flowers like this by just touching. And after setting I will just show whether it will work or not. It will definitely work. Again, after fruit set I will definitely show you the result. So I'm just trying this hand pollination in these 10 to 15-year-old plants. These small plants, I'm just covering it with this hand pollination.